Yeah, today we had a clean run, no problems, no issues. We were quite surprised. We thought we'll be quite far down because of the dust being held. We're holding back by the dust. But I see we did a good time. It was a good stage.
Yeah, it was a good day, you know, and really not easy. The navigation was very difficult, but Mathieu, he make a good job, and we are quite happy to have a good lead, you know, the first week of Dakar, and just we try to manage the second week of Dakar.
Yeah, I mean, stage was quite tricky, difficult with the navigation. In the end, the visibility was really, really bad in the dunes. So I mean, we just all followed Nasser, you know. But the first car, you cannot go because it's just impossible to go with the visibility. So yeah, a lot of cars finished together, but yeah, I mean, not a bad day for us. We had one puncture, but otherwise no problem.
Yeah, a really tough day for us. We were going quite well. It was all right opening the road until we went wrong in one of the canyons. We went down the wrong canyon, and I think we lost a lot of time there. But it was a bit of a mess there. There was a lot of cars getting lost.